online presentation. This is Pharmaceutical Dosage Forms for NTA Level 4 first semester. This is session number 2, where we're going to discuss about solid pharmaceutical dosage form. By the end of this session, students are expected to be able to define solid dosage forms, list major types of solid dosage forms, explain mode of administration for solid dosage forms, explain the characteristics of tablets and capsule dosage forms, explain the advantage of tablets and capsule dosage forms, explain the disadvantage of tablets and capsule dosage forms. Introduction. Definition of solid dosage forms. Solid dosage forms are forms of drug dosages that do not or contain very little water. Major types of solid dosage forms are, there are two major types of solid dosage forms, which are tablets and capsules. Kwa hiyo tuna two major types of solid dosage forms ambazo ni tablets na capsules. Tablet is defined as a compressed solid pharmaceutical dosage form that contains medicaments. They are prepared by compression of uniform volume of particles which include drugs and excipients. Kwa hiyo in general, kama tulivyo define kwenye first session, kwamba tablets should be compressed, lakini hizo material ambazo zinabe compressed should be in uniform volume. So those particles which are compressed must be in uniform volume. Kwa hiyo generally you can define tablets as a compressed solid pharmaceutical dosage form that contains medicaments, but those medicaments should be in uniform volume. Capsules are solid pharmaceutical dosage forms with hard or soft containers, what you call shell. These containers are commonly but not exclusively of gelatin of various shapes and capacities, usually contain a single dose of active ingredients. Mfano wa capsules ni ambao ni common typical capsule ni kwa mfano amoxicillin au ampiclox. A capsule may contain medicinal or innate agents. It may contain medicinal or something which does not provide pharmacological agents, pharmacological effects about tunaita ni innate agents. Types of capsules. We have two types of capsules. We have gelatin capsules, hard gelatin capsules, manufactured in two pieces that fit together and hold the drugs which is in powder or granular form. Kwa hiyo hii inakuwa na cap ambayo ni kifuniko cha juu na ile ya chini ambayo ina contain dawa. Soft gelatin capsules made in one piece containing drug and liquid form inside a soft shell. Kwa hiyo hii inakuwa yenyewe ni piece moja tu, kama vitamin A ambayo wanawapa watoto kwa ajili ya immunization. Ile vitamin A ambayo inakuwa ni drops, ile ni soft gelatin capsules. Other type of solid dosage forms tunazo kama ifuatavyo. We have lozenges. It is a solid preparation that contains one or more medicaments, usually in a flavored sweetened base. It is intended to dissolve or disintegrate slowly in the mouth. A roll pop is a lozenge on a stick. Kwa hiyo hii lozenge imetengenezwa kwa ajili ya kudissolve taratibu, ni ya kumumunya kama ilivyo chest cough tablets au Zecaf tablets, zile ambazo zote ni za kumumunya. Kofta, hizi ni lozenges ambazo unaweka mdomoni na mmoja taratibu, inakuwa ina provide ina release pharmacological effect taratibu. Powder is an intimate mixture of dry, finely divided drugs or chemical that may be intended for internal or external use. Kwa mfano ORS, ile ORS ni powder, ni drug ambayo in form of powder. Pill. A pill is a small round solid dosage form that contains a medicinal agent. It is taken by mouth. Pastries, they are designed to dissolve slowly in the mouth. They are softer than lozenges and their bases are either glycerol and gelatin or acacia and sugar. Kwa hiyo hii inakuwa ni tofauti yake na lozenges ni kwamba yenyewe inakuwa ni softer than pastries is softer than lozenges, lakini zote zinakuwa they are designed to dissolve slowly in the mouth. Mode of administration for major types of solid dosage forms. Namna gani tunaweza tukameza take in au tukameza hizo dawa? We have almost 4 major types of mode of administration for solid dosage forms. tablets and capsules are intended for oral administration. Lakini are intended for oral administration kivipi? They are intended for oral administration. Kwanza unaweza you may swallow whole or interact with a sufficient quantity of potable water. Unaweza ukameza donge kizima na maji ya kunywa. Lakini you may chew and swallow for quick absorption and action. Unaweza ukatafuna na kumeza kama mfano albendazole huwa wanasema ni dawa ambayo inabidi kutafune. Kwa unatafuna na kumeza for quick absorption and action. Lakini you may use it sublingually. Sublingual tablets are placed under the tongue, chini ya ulimi. Dispersible tablets are absorbed in water and the solution is drunk or swallowed. Kwa hiyo kuna vile vidonge ambavyo vinayuka ndani ya maji. Kwa hiyo vinayuka ndani ya maji, baadaye unakunywa. Those are four or means or mode of administration for major types of solid dosage forms. Characteristics of tablets and capsule dosage forms. Characteristics of tablets and capsule dosage forms includes must have correct dose, must be elegant, free of defect like chips, cracks, discoloration and contamination, should be uniform in size, weight and appearance, must be biocompatible, that means no excipient or microorganism which can cause harm to the patient. The tablets must be able to release the medicine agents in a predictable and reproducible manner. Must be chemically, physically and microbiologically stable during its lifetime. Must be able to withstand mechanical shock during production, packaging, shipping and dispensing during all its lifetime. Must be packed in a safe manner. Kwa hiyo hizi ni characteristics za solid dosage forms, whether it's tablets or capsule. Must have a correct dose, lazima iwe kwenye correct dose. Must be elegant and free of defect like chips, cracks, discoloration, contamination. Should be uniform in size, weight and appearance. Ni mambo ambayo yanaeleweka. Must be biocompatible, that means no excipient or microorganism which can cause harm to the patients. Biocompatible maana yake kusiwe na kitu chochote ambacho kinasababisha shida kwa mtumiaji au kwa mgonjwa. The tablet must be able to release the medicine agents in a predictable and reproducible manner. Must be chemically, physically and microbiologically stable during its lifetime. Kwa hiyo wakati wa shelf life yake lazima dawa iwe chemically, physically and microbiologically stable, isiweze kuharibika either chemically au physically au in terms of microbiology. Must be able to withstand mechanical shock during production, packaging, shipping and dispensing during all of its time. Sio wakati tunasafirisha dawa kwenye makopo zinafika zote zimekuwa unga. Kwa hiyo lazima hizi dawa ziweze withstand mechanical shock wakati wa production, lakini wakati wa packaging na wakati wa kusafirisha, vile na wakati wa dispensing. Lakini must be packed in a safe manner, lazima ihifadhiwe na kuwekwa katika hali iliyo salama. Those are characteristics of tablets and capsule as dosage forms. Advantage and disadvantage of tablets and capsule dosage forms. Advantage of tablets dosage forms includes the safety and convenient administration by the oral route. Kwa hiyo ni salama kabisa na nzuri kwa kumeza kupitia mdomo. Superior physical, chemical and microbial stability of all dosage forms provide means for accurate dosing, kama tuliona correct dose, portable, light and easy to handle, tuliona kule kwenye watu tunasoma session ya kwanza. Cheap for large scale production yenyewe tuliona kule. Lakini easy to control quality, cost is lowest of all dosage forms, objectionable and beta test can be masked by coating. Tuliona kule kwamba ni rahisi hata zile dawa ambazo zinakuwa na ladha ambayo sio nzuri zinaweza zikabe masked, au ile ladha inaweza ikabe masked ili kusaidia kufacilitate compliance, kufacilitate matumizi, kufacilitate watu wasiweze kushindwa kuitumia kwa sababu ya ile harufu au kwa sababu ya ilivyo chungu. Kwa hiyo dawa ambazo ziko katika mfumo wa tablets, they are easy to be masked, they are odor and bitterness. Product identification is easy and rapid, they may be stamped. Kwa hiyo inaweza ikawekewa alama kwamba alama ni rahisi kuweka alama ya identification, kama vinavyoona vidonge vingine ambavyo vinavyotengenezwa na vinavyo supplied na serikali vinakuwa na nembo ambayo imeandikwa GOT, maana Government of Tanzania. Kwa hiyo that is production identification, na hata unaweza kawekea hata identification nyingine yako unayoitaka. Sustained release products is possible by enteric coating. Kwa hiyo unaweza ukaikoti kwa ajili ya kwenda kwamba ile dawa imezwe na ipite kwenye GIT iende kulilizi pharmacological effect ndani ya GIT, iende kulilizi pharmacological effect within the GIT ambapo inakwenda kufanya kazi. Kwa hiyo it is to sustain the sustained released products is possible by enteric coating. Disadvantage of tablet dosage forms: potential bioavailability problem for drugs that are poorly soluble in water. Kwa hiyo kwa zile ambazo they are poorly soluble in water, ina maana bioavailability yake inakuwa ni poor. Potential bioavailability problem for drugs that are poorly soluble in water. Bioavailability tuliona kwamba ni amount, ni kile kiasi cha dawa ambacho kinaingia kwenye circulation baada ya kuwa dawa, kwa sababu hizo dawa ambazo tunazimeza kupitia kwenye mdomo lazima kwa mdomo lazima zipitie kwenye first pass metabolism au pre-systematic circulation. Kwa hiyo lazima zipitie kwenye first pass metabolism. Kwenye first pass metabolism kama tuliona kule nyuma, ile dawa inaenda kupita kwenye enzyme ambazo kwenye liver au kwenye gut. Kwa hiyo as a result, kiasi kinachokwenda kwenye blood circulation kwa ajili ya kuenda provide pharmacological effect kinakuwa ni kidogo, kwa sababu inakuwa imepitia kwenye first pass metabolism. Kwa hiyo bioavailability yake inakuwa ni shida. Potential bioavailability problem for drugs which undergo degradation in low pH. Some drugs, each aspirin may cause harm to the gastrointestinal tracts. Kwa hiyo dawa kama aspirin zinaweza kaenda kuirritate GIT. Difficulty to swallow in case of children and unconscious patients. Hizi ni disadvantage nayo, kwa sababu watoto wao wakati mwingine wanashindwa kumeza vidonge, lakini vile vile kuna watu ambao they are unconscious, na wale wazee sometimes wanaweza kashindwa kumeza dawa hii, dawa ambayo katika mfumo wa vidonge. Some drugs resist compression to dense compact due to amorphous nature or low density characteristics. So some drugs which are in form of amorphous inakuwa ni existence ya kitu katika form mbalimbali. Kwa hiyo some drugs resist compression into density kwa sababu dense compact due to amorphous nature or low density character. Beta testing drugs with unpleasant odor or sensitive toxin may require encapsulation or coating. Kwa hiyo unaweza kaingia gharama ya kufanya coating au kufanya encapsulation kwa zile dawa ambazo they are bitter au they have hazina harufu ambayo sio nzuri, na vile vile zinakuwa na test ambayo sio nzuri. Kwa hiyo unaweza wakaingia nao, au zina ambazo they are sensitive to oxygen ambazo zinaweza zikafanya oxidation, kwa hiyo zinaweza zikaharibiwa. Kwa hiyo they need to be encapsulated or you may coat those drugs. Kwa hiyo ile gharama ya coating nayo ni disadvantage ya tablet dosage forms. Advantage and disadvantage of tablets and capsule continue. Advantage of capsule dosage forms includes conveniently carried, portable, readily identified. It is readily identified. It is conveniently carried, rahisi kubeba. It is readily identified, easy taken, easy to administer, easy for swallowing, offer prescribing flexibility, efficiently and productively manufactured. Mask and present drug test order, packaging and shipped at lower cost and with less breakage, more stable and have a longer shelf life. Hizi ni advantages za capsule dosage forms. Liquid can be encapsulated, non-water soluble, small to large size possible. Elegance ni nzuri hata kwa muonekano wake. Lead availability of drug, hence fast action. Empty hard gelatin capsule are often used in extemporaneous compounding for prescription. Easy to manufacture. Hizi ni advantages za capsule dosage forms. Disadvantage of capsule dosage forms: it include difficult to incomplete water soluble material. Kwa zile dawa ambazo they are water soluble material, it is difficult to incomplete. They are highly moisture sensitive. They are highly moisture sensitive, kwamba ukiacha kwenye moisture inaharibika. A fluorescence material cannot be incompleted. They may cause softening or leaching. A fluorescence material ni zile material ambazo zina contain water, na wanasema a fluorescent material or substance are chemicals which has water associated with its molecular, and which when exposed to air loses this water through evaporation. Kwa hiyo a fluorescent material cannot be incompleted. They may cause softening or leaching. Wakati napo ina lose water, inaweza kusababisha softening au leaching. Delicient material cannot be incompleted. They may cause hardening or brittle or capsule. Delicient substances are materials which readily absorb water out of the air. They keep absorbing water until they dissolve themselves into liquid solution. Kwa hiyo hizi delicient material ukiziweka mle ndani, kwa sababu zina uwezo wa kuabsorb water easily from air, kwa hiyo zinaweza absorb water mpaka zikafikia hatua sasa zikabidi dissolve themselves na kusababisha solution. Key points. Solid dosage forms are forms of drugs dosage that do not or contain very little water. Kama tulivyoona as we saw kule mwanzo kwamba solid dosage forms are forms of drug dosage that do not or contain very little water. Tablets are designed for oral administration by swallowing, changing the solution in the mouth or placing under the tongue. Capsules are mainly for swallowing whole with the water. Huwezi kuchew capsule, kwa hiyo unaiswallow kama ilivyo na meza, kama ilivyo na maji. To aid absorption, solid dosage form should be taken with enough quantity of water. Evaluation. What are the major types of solid dosage forms? What is the route of administration for tablets and capsules? What are the advantages of capsules over tablets? This will be the end of our session number 2. We shall meet next